Guys, harvest siya ng ano, blue ginger. Langkwas. Oh. Oh. Gagawa kasi kami ng ano. Pasa?
Untuk cook rendang.
Untuk cook rendang.
Curry chicken.
Curry chicken. For curry chicken.
Blue ginger.
Blue but pink ah?
But the name is blue ginger. Then this one is normal ginger.
Oh, this one is blue ginger.
Yellow ginger.
This one I think pink ginger.
Because I pick the young.
Sorry.
But to be is old but
Oh.
See, this
Ayan
one.
siya guys, oh. Yung hindi na kami no need to buy.
No need to buy. We plant
Kasi we have
on the other.
our own plant. We plant this one.
You must take again, see, very rough.
Oo. So ayan guys yung na-harvest ni Yuli. Magluluto kasi siya ng rendang.
Rendang, curry chicken.
So kailangan niya ng pink ginger. Pink ginger. Not blue ginger. At inubon na ako. Ayan guys. Yan. Mamaya kukunin namin yung papaya isa.
I need